Am I audible? Dear students, am I audible to you? Please reply me yes or no in the chat box if I am well audible to you. Okay, so let everyone join. Then we'll start. Yes, thank you, Sahil. Thank you. Adesh, after so long. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's start with the today's topic, straight line. Okay. Everybody, good evening. So where we are, what we have seen in the last lecture, yes, I have Adesh, Aryan, Ahad. Okay, fine. Akshay, Mufid, Rushikesh, Sahil, everyone with me. So guys, first I want to meet you all as we know our activity. So after so long, Akshay, can you please on your video so that we'll meet, we will have certain talk with you. Because see, we are virtually meeting in this lectures, online lectures. Okay, so I want to see you guys. Akshay, Aryan, and Rishikesh, please on your videos. Hello, Akshay. Everything is going good in entrance,
Yeah,
in board.
except
At your place, everything is safe. Okay, fine.
safe.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, you may off your video. Aryan, Aryan, am I audible to you?
Yeah,
Hello.
yes,
Okay. How was the preparation going on?
nice.
Nice. Okay. I want a good score in boards also. Okay. You may put your video off. Rishikesh. Rishikesh, it's your turn. After so long, we are meeting. Rishikesh. Okay, Rishikesh, you're not still visible to your friends and me also. Fine. Okay, Rishikesh, please on your video so that we'll start. Then who else? Who left? Mufid and Sahil. Mufid and Sahil. Okay, nice. Rishikesh, how are you? Rishikesh, how are you? Please answer me. Everything is good? Okay, fine. Yes. Okay. And Sahil Shelar and Mufid. Sahil Shelar, Mufid. Oh, Sahil, it's nice environment at your place.
Hi.
Natural beauty. Okay, fine, nice. Okay. How is the preparation going on? Sahil, अभ्यास कसा सुरू आहे?
Silence.
Okay. Mufid, please on your video and Adesh. Mufid and Adesh. We don't have girls today. Both the girls are absent. Okay. Mufid, how is the preparations going on?
Yes, going on.
Okay, it's just going on. Daily you are attending classes and hence you are stopping the calculations. Okay, after class, no calculations. Don't behave like this. Okay, fine. Okay, turn off your video and audio. Fine. So, let me welcome one more student, Ahad. So, Ahad, is it fine for you to on your video or you will be okay with the off mode only? See, you are my student now. So, is it fine for you to on your video? It's okay. Just reply me in the chat box. We'll proceed with the calculations of JEE, JEE entrance straight line. Okay, I'm getting the replies. Yes, Rushikesh. Just go in a good network condition. Ahad, am I audible to you? Fine. So, okay, fine. Okay, fine. Not an issue. Now, let everyone, without wasting time, just focus on the first question. The locus of point whose abscissa and ordinates are equal, and we have to form the equation of such a straight line. Anyone can say this answer within 20 seconds. Remember my word, this question is the easiest question which requires 20 seconds. Okay, and I got the answer. Okay. So I got the first answer, and anyone else with their opinions? Everyone, now today's session will be the revision kind of session. Yesterday only we have finished our first PPT, and this completely 4 questions are dedicated for your revisions. Okay. So tell me what is abscissa and what is ordinate. You know this better. Fast guys, 20 seconds is the timer for this question in the JEE entrance examination. Obviously, there is a certain level of each question and you have to tackle it in that sense only. Okay. Yes, please. Abscissa ordinate means what, guys? Abscissa means x coordinate and ordinate means y coordinate. Okay. So see, always equal means what? Abscissa is equal to ordinate. So if I shift this on this side, it will become in an equation like this. So see how simple is the question. X minus y is equal to 0. Everyone getting this? First question, if you know abscissa is x coordinate and ordinate is a y coordinate, then x is equal to y. Hence, x minus y is equal to 0. It's like that question that which requires no time. You can utilize such type in a or time of such questions in the next question. Getting everyone, I'm just getting reply of one student only. What happened with the else? See, this is math lecture. It will be a two-way session as well, calculation based session. Okay, Aryan, Akanksha, Akshay, Mufid, there is no anything difficult or complicated in this question. Fine. Now everyone on this question. The equation of straight line passing through the point 1, 2 and parallel to the line y is equal to 3x plus 1. How many times this question will require? Anyone? ये क्वेश्चन इजी में आता है, एवरेज में आता है या डिफिकल्ट में आता है? आपके सेंस से मुझे पता चलना चाहिए. I just want this question to be tackled from your end. Okay, so you are comparing. Okay, fine, Sahil. I received your answer and thank you so much for this answer. But what is your challenge for this question? It is easy, average or difficult? आपका खुद के लिए चैलेंज यहाँ पर डिसाइड करेगा आप कैसे देख रहे हो उस पेपर को, उस क्वेश्चन को. यही है जेई. कुछ बच्चों के लिए यही क्वेश्चन का डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन रहेगा, कुछ बच्चों के लिए यही क्वेश्चन इजी. Yes, okay, Sahil. Actually, I have given this PPT or these questions to solve because I want you to answer. Every time I'm just calculating and you are answering, it's not good thing for JEE batch at least. So you have to answer. Okay. So this is very good. So I got a 4 replies that this is an easy question. Okay. I'm not having the answers of 3 students. Okay. 3 students are very isolated in the lecture. See, you have to calculate everything, whatever is there. Okay. So equation of straight line passing through the point. Which point is used? Which form of equation of straight line is used? Y minus point, slope point form, no? What is the slope if I compared with the line y is equal to mx plus c? See how simple the question is. Y is equal to 3x plus 1. So what is my value of m? It is but obviously 3. Okay. And slope point is given as 1, 2. So everybody just tell me answer fast. One student have already answered. Which form is to be used? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What to be used instead of x1, y1? बहुत simple है. x1 is x1 y1 is directly replaced with what? 1 and 2. Okay. Now the condition is parallel, so slope is same. इसमें मैं change भी करने वाली हूँ. Don't worry. Slope is same. Parallel condition means slopes are equal. So can anyone answer me? Y minus y1 की जगह पर रख दिया 2 is equal to 3 minus x की जगह पर x1 की जगह पर 1. आगे के 2 क्वेश्चन है ना, ये ऐसे क्वेश्चन है डिफिकल्ट लेवल के क्वेश्चन है. मीन्स उसमें आपका शायद से एग्जाम में आपका 15 मिनट्स भी जा सकता है, लेकिन ये टाइम निकालना कहाँ से है? इजी क्वेश्चन से निकालना है. So everyone ready with the answer? C option is obviously correct. Clear? This is easy 2, easy 2, easy 1. Clear? We are many more questions to complete. Already I have sent one image on the group also. So we have many more things to complete. Everybody, 3 students replied, it's clear, miss. Please proceed. Okay. Now, सबके रिप्लाई आने तक मैं आगे बढ़ू कैसे, ये भी बता दो आप. 2 स्टूडेंट्स बहुत अच्छे से रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं. प्रोसीड, ओके फाइन. प्रोसीड, ओके फाइन. थम, ओके फाइन. हाँ, तो ऐसे कुछ करना है ना एक्टिविटी. टेल मी द आंसर फॉर द परपेंडिकुलर वन. क्या चेंज होगा? यू मे अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. ये पैरेलल है इसलिए इसको अभी हम क्रॉस करेंगे. और परपेंडिकुलर के लिए क्या आएगा? टेल मी, क्या आएगा परपेंडिकुलर का आंसर? वेयर द चेंज विल बी? Fast guys, it doesn't require that much time. Perpendicular के लिए, what is the perpendicular condition? If I could change a small thing, instead of parallel, if I could change the perpendicular one. Condition for line to be perpendicular. Yes, very good. I must appreciate this answer. What is our M? 3. Okay. Y minus ये line से what is the slope of line? M is equal to 3. If I could compare with the y is equal to mx plus c. So for the perpendicular one, m dash is equal to minus 1 by 3, and hence our equation is changed in terms of y minus y1 means y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1 means x minus 1. Cleared? Cleared? Anyone confused? Next question is somehow critical, but this is cleared. Why we are using minus 1 by 3 if the perpendicular condition is there? ये मैंने हटा दिया. पैरेलल की जगह पर अगर परपेंडिकुलर पूछा गया होता तो ये आता. सबके replies are expected. 3 students. What about Aryan, Ahad, Akanksha, Mufid, Sahil, Siddhi? Okay, Siddhi, you are in. Akanksha, you are also in. Okay, fine. So everyone just reply me. Yes, miss. Okay, fine. Should I proceed? Slope point form is clear? Abhi. Okay, fine. Thank you for this reply. अभी का नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मुझे देखना है कौन सा बच्चा सॉल्व करता है. इट इज रियली रियली एन ऑनर इफ यू कुड सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम व्हिच वाज अ प्रीवियस JEE एग्जाम क्वेश्चन. Yes, these all are actually PYQ. Okay, students, these all are PYQ. I just don't have that years with you, but these are the previous year questions only. If the straight line passes through the point 3, 4 and makes an angle pi by 6 with the x-axis, meets the line 12x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0 at Q, then the length of PQ. Anyone can analyze this problem. Which point is to be used? See, there are 3 to 4 forms of line. First form of line is, what is first form of line is slope point form. Very good. First form of line is slope point form. Second form of line is slope intercept form. Fine. Then third form of line is parametric form. Which form is used? Tell me. I'm just taking it very shortly. Which form is to be used here? अगर आपको ये पता चल गया तो आपको सारी चीजें पता होने वाली है इसी क्वेश्चन में. पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म why to use. ओके, अगर स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म है तो why to use like this. Okay guys, I am just getting multiple answers for one question. एक ही क्वेश्चन के मल्टीपल आंसर्स मिल रहे हैं मुझे. दिस इज रियली वेरी शॉकिंग. हर बंदा अलग अलग फॉर्म यूज करने वाला है. मींस स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म यूज करने वाला है, स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म. सी द गिवन डेटा. गिवन से आप पहचान सकते हो. यू कैन एनालाइज विद द गिवन डेटा. You can analyze with the given data. I'm just giving time. See, it's a revision session completely. Yesterday only we have finished the straight line. Gambhir sir have started this theory in the first lecture. This is completely third lecture for a simple point straight line. Okay, you're not getting. Should I help you out in this solution? थोड़ा सा help मैं कर देती हूँ. चलो, डायग्राम तो बनाना है, सबको आता ही है डायग्राम बनाने को. Okay, a straight line passes through the point P34 and makes an angle pi by 6. Okay, एक जो straight line है वो P point से पास हो रही है and makes an angle pi by 6. Okay, fine. With x-axis obviously, and meets the line 12x plus, what is that? 12x plus 3y. Okay, fine. So I just write down here. X axis से स्ट्रेट लाइन P पॉइंट में कौन सा पॉइंट बना रही है? pi by 6. P पॉइंट आपको दिया हुआ है. ओके, और एक लाइन को मिल रही है इन Q पॉइंट विच इज 12x plus 5y plus 10 इन पॉइंट Q. 12x plus 5y meeting the line 12x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0 इन पॉइंट Q. यहाँ पर कौन से पॉइंट में मिल रही है? Q में. So we have to find out this length. You are eligible to solve. I'm just highlighting this length with the yellow color marker. This length we have to calculate. Anyone can guess the process? ये question आया तो JEE आया. Yes and yes, it is a question of JEE examination. निकालना क्या है वो सोचो. आप सोचो थोड़ा सा इस पे. Guys, can't we use the equation of line? Yes, we have to use equation of line obviously, but in which form? Parametric form, slope form और the intercept form. अभी यहाँ पर आपको दिमाग लगाना है. intercept form use करना है. स्लोप फॉर्म यूज करना है या पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म यूज करना है? इसके लिए आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल प्रो होना चाहिए, बहुत प्रो. दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम जेई पेपर ओनली. Okay, one answer is slope form. Fine. I appreciate this answer. But is it possible to calculate slope here? Can you guess the formula of slope? Okay, so if you could tan theta formula, if you could use tan theta formula, nahi. Yes. So yes, thank you for this answer. We have to use parametric form. Fine. Thank you so much for this answer. Finally, we got the answer. See, we have to calculate this r, nothing else. We have to calculate this r, and this theta is given, this point is given, x1, y1. So what is a parametric form? Finally, you got the answer. PQ ka length means r only we have to calculate. Okay. So what is a parametric form? कल ही बताया था, अभी अनम्यूट करके बताओ या फिर चैट में बताओ. एक स्टूडेंट ने बहुत अच्छे से लिखा है, x minus x1 fine upon what it is, upon cos theta is equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta is equal to r. Clear? Clear. Now you can solve. We have to calculate r, guys. r निकालना है सबको. So how to calculate r? You have to think on this. Okay. So you will try this one. सब लोग try कर रहे हैं या मेरी जरूरत है फिर भी? Is there any need of my calculations? You are trying. Okay, raise your hands if you are calculating. I'll wait. Fine, Akanksha, do it. Okay. Still doing? Raise your hands. Only Akanksha is doing. Fine. I want all 6 hands up. Okay. See, trying is the measure of mathematics. Mathematics में अगर try नहीं कर रहे हो तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो. Okay. एंड हर बार टीचर आंसर देगा तो टीचर का ही नॉलेज क्लियर होने वाला है, आपका तो कुछ होने वाला नहीं फिर. ओके, दैट्स रियली ग्रेट. आई एम एंजॉयिंग दिस सेशन. चलो करो. इससे ना आपको एक्स वाई तो भी मिल जाएगा, कुछ नहीं मिला तो भी एक्स वाई तो भी मिल जाएगा. एक्स वाई को निकालो इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर. होपफुली एवरीवन विल कैलकुलेट दिस वन. एक्स वाई को निकालो इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर. उसके बाद ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन और ये डाउट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मिस एक्स वाई और आर दो अननोन से, तो दो इक्वेशन कहाँ पर यूज करने हैं? ये इक्वेशन तो भी यूज करना है. 12x plus 5y is equal to 10. Oh, sorry, plus 10 is equal to 0. Plus 10 is equal to 0. So, ये इक्वेशन से आप निकालोगे क्या? एक्स वाई इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर निकलेगा. ओके, और इसमें वो पुट करो, एक्स और वाई की जगह पर पुट करो. यहाँ पर आपको कैलकुलेशन में क्या मिल जाएगा? आर. एंड आर विल बी योर ऑप्शन. ये सारे ऑप्शन जिसके लिए दिए गए वो आर ही चीज है. R is the polar distance. Okay, so polar distance only asked for you guys. Okay. Try this. I am not going to calculate. इसके लिए आधा घंटा लगा तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन ये आंसर देना तो आपको ही है ये आंसर. It's looking black, Akshay. Should I off my video? Now it's clear. Akshay, it's looking black. Now it's clear. Blur. So it is a network error at your place. हाँ. Ahad, I'll help you out in this solution. 1 minute only. See everybody on this point that miss we are confused in the R values. Okay, so see, x minus x1 upon cos theta will be equals with R. Okay, so R की वैल्यू, x की वैल्यू निकालो. What is the value of x? x1 plus r cos theta, if I'm not wrong. Okay. x1, what is the value of x1 in the question? What is the value of x1? It is 3, no?
3.
x1, yes. So 3 plus r cos theta. Theta की जगह पर है pi by 6. Pi by 6. Fine. So cos 30. What is the value of cos 30? You know better. So it is 3 plus r cos theta means r root 3 divided by 2. ऐसा आ गया आपका x. सबका आ गया. Everyone noted x. If done, then put a thumb. Done. Okay. Yes. Proceed. Whatever it is. Put it fast so that I can rub this board and go for the y. Yes. Done. Okay. Everyone noted x. Now similarly you have to note down the y. Fine. Everyone now note down the y. अभी आप खुद से भी कर सकते हो. y निकाला. y क्या कैलकुलेशन में बताती हूँ. y minus y1 upon sin theta is equal to r. Again equate it with the r. So y minus y1 is equal to r sin theta. Fine. So y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. Fine. Okay. Now put the values. What is y1? 4 plus r sin theta. So r sin 30 is 1 by 2. So it is r by 2. ये हो गया y. सबने y नोट डाउन किया. x और y आ गए. Cleared? Done with the x and y. Yes. अभी मेरे बच्चे बहुत होशियार है. उनको ऐसा आधे तक करके दिया तो वो आगे का कर ही सकते हैं. I know. Everyone can do the next part. Which is actually सबका फेवरेट पार्ट है. इसमें सिर्फ एक्स वाई डाल के आर निकालो. अभी व्हाट इज माय इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन जो फॉलो कर रहा है ये 12x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. पुट इट इन दिस इक्वेशन. x और y पुट करो और r निकालो और मुझे ऑप्शन बताओ. अभी तो बहुत सिंपल हो गया ना. एक्स वाई डालो. एक्स और वाई डाला और आर निकालो और मुझे आर बताओ. अभी सबका कैलकुलेशन पार्ट इसमें मेजर होता है ऑब्वियसली. You are taking lots of time, guys. It's a very simple part now to calculate. सिर्फ वे ऑफ थिंकिंग मैटर करता है इन एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. हाउ यू आर थिंकिंग फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन. Many of the students got wrong thinking for this particular question. We have x, we have y. You can try it. Okay, so let me take. Fine. Yes. Okay. Siddhi, on your video, I want to see you. Siddhi, you're on. Akanksha, 1 minute. तब तक बाकी के बच्चे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ओके सिद्धि, हाउ वाज द प्रिपरेशन गोइंग ऑन? गुड. ओके फाइन. नाइस. You are the same like how you are before lockdown. Okay, fine. Akanksha, on your video, you may put it off. Akanksha, where is your? Akanksha, where are you? You are listening me on your video. This activity is remained for you two only. Everyone else have on their video before lecture in first 5-10 minutes. Okay, Akanksha, I want to see you. I know you are very busy in solving. Yes, yes, Sahil, yes, I got it. She's always doing that thing. Akanksha, एक plate pohe. आकांक्षा, am I audible?
Yes, miss.
दिसत नाहीयेस, एक प्लेट पोहे खातेस का?
नाही miss.
दिसत का नाहीयेस मग? Network is so poor at your place. Okay, fine, fine. Okay. Time भेटला तर okay, calculations are done. Fine, calculations are done. Or is there any need to calculate? Miss, please calculate. You may message me like, Miss, please calculate. You're doing okay, fine. That's really great. But you're taking time. In entrance examination, time management matters a lot. किसका स्कोर अच्छा आएगा ये अच्छे स्टडीज के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, लेकिन उससे भी ज्यादा डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितने स्पीडी कैलकुलेशंस लेते हो. How the calculation part is strong is really matters in entrance examination. हमें last का question भी deal करना है everybody. So please solve this very fast and tell me which option is correct. See how closest options are. There is no any chance to guess the answer. Chances of guessing are very less in JEE. जेई में आपको खुद को ट्राई नहीं करना है कि हम गेस करके ये आंसर, हाँ ऑप्शंस दाखवते. ओके, सी the options. 130 by 12 root 3 plus 5, 130 by 12 root 3 minus 5, 135, 132 by 5 root 3 plus 12, 132 by 5 root 3 minus 12. So how closest the options are? What is happening? Now it is not that much difficult. I know. It is that much difficult. आधा तो मैंने सॉल्व करके दे दिया, आधा भी नहीं, 75%. I have solved 75%. Means out of 4 marks, 3 marks are mine only. On only 1 marks you are calculating for only 1 marks. No, okay. At least this answer is expected. This is not complicated at all. Okay. You are eligible to calculate such questions wherein point, angle and one line equation is given. Point, angle and one line equation is given. You have to calculate polar distance. Remember my words, polar distance you have to calculate. Okay. R you have to calculate. Okay, I am not getting any option for this answer, this question. किसी ने कुछ ऑप्शन गेस भी नहीं किया है चैट में. B. Okay, fine. B answer is right. No. B is not right answer. Miss C. Okay. Now D only left. Miss C. Miss is not C. A is right answer. A is the right answer and only 2 students got it correctly. A वाले बच्चों को 4 marks मिलने वाले. Akanksha, you are getting -1. Rest students will get -1 for this. Obviously, negative marking is 1/3. Okay. So 25% negative marking is there. A option is right one. So is there any need to show calculations? The one who are not eligible to answer, उनके लिए मैं calculation क्या क्विकली बताओ या फिर हम आगे जाएंगे. लास्ट के 5-10 मिनट बचे हुए हैं and we have many questions to go. Calculations you want? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. See how simple the calculations are. 12x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is my equation. So 12x की जगह पर पुट करना है 12 into 3 plus r root 3 by 2. Okay. Plus 5 into y की जगह पर पुट करना है 4 plus r by 2 plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. So I'm just shifting all these things. 12 को अंदर multiply किया. 12 3 जा 12 into 3.
36.
Plus 12 into 12 divided by 12 और 2 का डिवीजन ले लिया तो ये हो जाएगा 6 root 3 r. फर्स्ट टर्म इज क्लियर. Okay, plus 54, 5 4s are 20 plus, okay, we'll keep it as it is, fine. Okay, fine. I just do it with your method. Many students are insisting me, miss, shift the coefficient and then calculate. It doesn't make any change. 12 x की जगह पर पुट करना है 3 plus r√3/2 plus 5 into 4 plus r/2 is equal to -10. यहाँ तक तो सबको आ गया होगा. I am just shifting the coefficient as per your requirement. Okay. Then 12 r√3 divided by 2 plus 5 4s are 20 plus 5 r/2 is equal to -10. Shift all constant coefficients on that side, calculate it. Constant coefficient को उस साइड भेज के आप calculations कर सकते हो. Okay, so you will get it 12 r√3 divided by 2 plus, I'm just taking on the first step. ये कैलकुलेशंस बड़ा है और बोर्ड जो है वो कम पड़ रहा है हमें, सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग इट ऑन फर्स्ट स्टेप. एवरीवन सॉल्व अलोंग विथ मी. सो इट इज 12 r√3 upon 2 plus 5 r upon 2 is equal to -10, -20, -36. So what it is then total? -30 and -36 is -66. Fine, no? Guys, it is right. Okay. So -66 into 2. Okay. So further solving will be, r को कॉमन लेना है, हो गया. फिर r को मैंने कॉमन ले लिया. अभी यहाँ पर ही आंसर गेस हो रहा है. देखो 5√3 plus 5, ये फैक्टर r का डिवाइड में जाने वाला है ना. इस साइड कुछ भी आने दो, कुछ भी. डोंट कैलकुलेट दिस कांस्टेंट. यू हैव टू मिनिमाइज योर टाइम. ये जो फैक्टर है वो कौन से ऑप्शन में दिया है? दिस फैक्टर इज गिवन इन विच ऑप्शन? दैट इज इन ए ऑप्शन ओनली. See the shortcut method. No need to calculate further. 12√3 divided by 5 is given in a option only. So which is answer correct? A answer is correct. Here only you can conclude your answer. Getting this shortcut, 2 steps you can minimize here. So this is JE. JE में आपको कोई नहीं पूछने वाला आपने कैसे कैलकुलेट किया है, बताओ. सिर्फ कैलकुलेट किया है ना, आपको आंसर मिलने वाले. क्लियर? Now this is clear. Who asked me this doubt? Ayan, I guess. Okay. So this
Yes.
is a shortcut method. And now let's proceed over the last part or last question. Okay, sorry, whiteboard पे नहीं पढ़ाना है वो. पहले तो आपको question दे रही हूँ मैं. This is last question, IIT 1998. Okay. IIT exam is equally important as per the JEE. All IIT questions are equal with the JEE questions only. So x plus 3y is equal to 4, 6x minus 2y is equal to 7 are the diagonals. Okay, diagonals of parallelogram. Okay, and you have to find out the figure is rectangle, square, cyclic, quadrilateral or rhombus. करो आंसर मुझे. Don't guess your answer. I will ask reason. Okay. This is a part which is having average level. This is an average level question. So in average level question, how many times you will dedicate? Yes, fine. I got, there you are. Yes, it's absolutely correct. So I must appreciate this answer you have given, Sahil. Okay, fine. Sahil, thank you so much for this answer. But what is your answer then? साहिल, आपका गेस जो है वो बहुत ही करेक्ट जा रहा है, लेकिन उसका मीनिंग इसमें से कौन से ऑप्शन के साथ जुड़ रहा है वो बताओ. Which option is correct? It is rectangle, square, cyclic, quadrilateral or rhombus. मुझे बताओ. Okay, fine. Maybe B or C. Okay. Diagonals का condition बताओ. Rectangle. If I talked about the rectangle. Okay, fine. Rectangle. Is we have any condition for this diagonal? ये angle हमें पता होता है क्या? No. We can't guess this angle वेरी इन अ सिंपल मैनर. सो डायगोनल्स और रेक्टेंगल का एंगल जो होता है वो हमें पता नहीं होता. ओके, दिस इज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्क्वायर का भी सेम ही है. वी डोंट नो द एंगल बिटवीन द डायगोनल. स्क्वायर का भी नहीं पता होता. एंगल बिटवीन द डायगोनल्स वी डोंट नो. बट द रोम्बस इज द वन. रोम्बस के बारे में हमें ये श्योरली पता होता है कि डायगोनल्स आर मेकिंग परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ओके, रोम्बस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्यों वो मैं बता रही हूँ. देखो, इन द रोम्बस ओनली डायगोनल्स आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. इट इज ओनली द कंडीशन ऑफ रोम्बस, नॉट एनी अदर क्वाड्रिलैटरल. ओके, now we are making this diagonal as d1. what is our d1 given and d2 given? d1 का स्लोप बताओ कैसे निकलता है स्लोप. in general, if the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, what is the slope? Minus a by b. Maths is all about formulas. Yes, no? So what is a slope of d1? d1 का स्लोप बताओ मुझे. d1 को स्लोप को हम ले रहे हैं m1 which is minus 1/3. Okay, and d2 का स्लोप बताओ. What is the d2 slope? It is m2 which is only 3. 6/2 आ रहा है ना, so it is equal with 3. सी, ये क्वेश्चंस कुछ ऐसे इक्वेशंस कुछ ऐसे चेंज हो सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर निगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल आएंगे. तो m1 into m2 -1 आ रहा है. मीन्स लाइन्स आर परपेंडिकुलर. ये कौन सी कंडीशन है? परपेंडिकुलर की कंडीशन है. दैट्स व्हाई दैट क्वाड्रिलैटरल इज रोम्बस. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? Perpendicular with each other, hence that quadrilateral we can conclude as a rhombus. Okay, we don't have any idea about the angles of diagonals of rectangles, squares or cyclic quadrilateral, but for rhombus it is surely perpendicular to each other. Clear? Yes or no guys? अभी सबके लिए क्वेश्चन देना बाकी है. It is rhombus and I got 2 answers correct. I must appreciate. Yes, should I proceed? Yes, okay. 2 बच्चों ने yes बोला है. बाकी के बच्चे क्या हुआ? You are listening me? You are there with me? JEE sessions are very interesting. If you could attend it very properly. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now, अभी यहाँ पर सबके लिए क्वेश्चंस कुछ क्वेश्चनरीज मैंने सेंड की हुई है. ऑलरेडी मैंने ग्रुप पे भेजा वो. 1 minute. Okay, so for whatever I am giving for everyone is the JEE 2018 question. Okay, आपको सॉल्व करना है JEE 2018 का क्वेश्चन जो मैं आप सबके लिए दे रही हूँ. सी, सबको क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है? JEE 2018 question. A straight line through a fixed point 2, 3 intersect the coordinate axis at distance points P and Q. If O is the origin of the rectangle OPRQ is completed, then the locus of R is. Locus of R means you have to calculate the equation of straight line. Okay. So everyone, चलो आपको अभी ना क्या करना है, इस क्वेश्चन से पहले तो डायग्राम बनाना है. एवरीवन मेक अ डायग्राम फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. A straight line is passes through the diagonal of the rectangle OQRP और PORQ, उसमें से PQ से स्ट्रेट लाइन जाने वाला है, ओके और उसका मिड पॉइंट दिया हुआ है 2 3. 2 3 is the point intersecting the coordinate axis, okay, and you have to find out the equation of line of RK, okay. So anyone who can solve, try this question, JEE Mains 2018. मैं ना आपको डायग्राम बना के देती हूँ, फिर भी सबको ये डायग्राम तो बहुत यूजफुल होने वाला है. O means the origin, okay. अभी O means the origin and a point is at distance. If we talked about HK, ये point हम in general consider कर रहे हैं, which is R. So it is HK और दोनों भी diagonals का mid point जो आ रहा है वो point दिया हुआ है 2 3. ये point दिया है, mid point of two lines are 2 3. This point is Q. This point is Q and this point is P. Okay, one answer is ready. I must appreciate. So this is obviously H0 and this is obviously K0. स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म यूज करके देखो आप, मैं थोड़ा सा आपको हेल्प कर रही हूँ. ये लाइन हमें निकालनी है, दैट ब्लू वन, ये ब्लू लाइन दिख रही है क्या आपको, वो निकालनी है हमें, ओके. सो ट्राई टू यूज स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म. PQ का इक्वेशन हमें मिलेगा स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म में. सब लोग PQ का इक्वेशन बना लीजिए. If you could attempted it with the correct PQ equation, then it will be a fine. What is the slope intercept form? X by h plus y by k is equal to 1. Yes, no? This is slope intercept form. अभी हमारे पास ये पॉइंट भी है जो PQ पे लाई कर रहा है, ओके. So yes, no? तो इसको हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, इट इज 2 by x प्लस, क्लियर. अभी x प्लस y इज स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म के बाद क्या आया देखो, पॉइंट को पुट करना है, x by h प्लस y by k इज इक्वल टू 1. दिस इज माय इनिशियल इक्वेशन. उस पे मैंने पॉइंट पुट किया 2 by h प्लस 2 by k, सॉरी 3 by k. Yes, the answer is, I guess it is correct one, is equal to 1. Let me solve. अभी हम in general locus of R निकालना है हमें. What is the locus of R? अभी R को हम HK की जगह पर XY रिप्लेस करें. In general locus of R निकालना है. R पॉइंट को हमने अब अगर XY अज्यूम किया तो HK की जगह पर क्या पुट करना है, XY. So what is the locus of R? 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 1. This is the locus of R. Now you can solve. Cross multiplication will work here. 3x plus 2y is equal to xy. So it is equal with which option? Which one is the correct option? Three x plus 2y is equal to xy. Okay. 3x plus 2y is equal to xy. So which is the option correct one? Which is a B option. Clear? So yes. So I will send this questionnaires for your practice. ये questionnaire को पूरा attempt करो, okay? These are some PYQs from the JEE of Orissa, AIEEE, Gujarat CET, Karnataka CET, or AIEEE are West Bengal CET, West Bengal JEE, and the JEE mains examination, whatever 2018 and 17. So I will share these PYQs with you. So you are getting different forms or types of questions actually. मैं थोड़ा सा आपसे ये बात करती हूँ अभी. Types of question जो straight line पे पूछे जाते हैं, ऐसे आपको question समझ में आए? Everyone, how was this session? This was our last lecture of straight line, and yes, I tried specially to cover up maximum questions in last two sessions. First we have finished 10 questions, then this 14 questions, 15 to 20 questions I have taken from different angles which could cover all the points. इसमें भी बहुत critical level के भी questions available होते हैं straight line में JEE में. So have we cleared with the coordinate geometry first part? Coordinate geometry सिर्फ straight line नहीं है. Coordinate geometry is a complete unit. उसके अंदर का एक chapter straight line है. Okay, coordinate geometry का वेटेज सर ने बताया था आपको. Have sir shared the weightage of coordinate geometry unit? How many questions will be asked tentatively? कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री के अंदर कितने क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं आपको पता है क्या? मैं बता देती हूँ आपको. कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री के अंदर 3 or 4 questions. Okay, 3 or 4 questions will be asked. So tentatively how many marks? तो ये कुछ चीजें आप लिख लीजिए. स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन, सिंपल स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन, पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन, देन स्क्यू लाइंस, दैट इज अ 12th लाइंस चैप्टर, स्क्यू लाइंस के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन. दिस इज फॉर श्योर केस. एंड उसमें से आया तो प्लेन के ऊपर और एक क्वेश्चन. क्लियर? दिस इज आवर टेंटेटिव वेटेज ऑफ दिस यूनिट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. हमने कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री को अभी स्टार्ट किया है. Will POSL, skew lines, plane, these all chapters come under the 12th syllabus, 12-22 syllabus. Okay, and the students appearing for 12-21, they are eligible to solve these all 4 questions from the unit. Okay, clear? Clear? So thank you everyone for your active participation throughout. And yes, try to solve the questionnaire, share on group. If anyone, I think Ahad, you are new to us, so if you want that questions for practice, I will make a certain arrangement to have this question, or this question will be shared with you also. Try to solve. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you so much.